nice exponential problem for you all to solve without calculators. Now here it is 5 to the 23 times 6 to the 7 equals what? Now here the first step, what we are gonna do is write down 5 to the 23 as it is. Then we're gonna split 16 can be written as 2 to the fourths. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 whole to the power of 7. Alright. Now whenever you have something like this, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, you just multiply the powers, a to the power of mn. Now you have 5 to the 23 times 2 to the power of 4 times 7 is 28. Next step, what we're gonna do is, now we're gonna split 28. 5 to the 23 times 2 to the power of, now I'm going to split it as 23 plus 5. Why? Because I have an exponent of 23 and here also 23. The rule which I'm going to apply is this one. Whenever you have something like this, a to the power of n times b to the power of n, when bases are different and exponents are same, what we're going to do is we're going to write it like this: product of the two bases a b whole to the power of n. So let's write it down. So we have 5 times 2 whole to the power of 23. And here we have 2 to the power of 5. Again we have 2 to the power of 5. Whenever you have something like this, a to the power of m plus n, you write it like this: a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So I've already taken a to the power of m here. And a to the power of n is here. Now what we're gonna do is, in the next step, 5 times 2 is 10 to the power of 23, and then here we have 2 to the power of 5, and that's equal to 32. Yes, let's write it as 3.2. Whenever you take the decimal here, you add 1 0 here, 10 to the power of 24, and that's your answer. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.